a sophomore and I was part of the AI Scholars Program. So the AI Scholar Program is kind of like an intro into AI and machine learning, and it's really cool because you kind of learn about AI in general, what it is and how we're using it in the world today. And then you go slightly deeper into it, like machine learning, and then you learn different algorithms. And it's all really cool because everything's explained in detail. And even though I had some experience previously, it was really good because a lot of things I had skimmed over or I didn't understand before, the program really went into depth, so I got a new level of understanding. In general, I definitely recommend Empowerly because it helps you like a lot, and it compared to if you were to do everything alone. And I think my favorite part about it and what really helped me out is like exposure. Like I learned about so many programs and so many like opportunities that I wouldn't have known about otherwise. Like my counselor he has like a whole database and he'll just pull out things that like I want to do, and it's really cool because I know I wouldn't have found those on my own. And like programs like the AI summer program, it's like really cool because you get to really explore what you want to do, whereas before you didn't really know how to get into something, but these programs like allow you to get the start into it.